This is Daybreak, a fully cooperative board game about stopping climate change designed by Matt Leacock, the creator of Pandemic. If you've played Pandemic, you know Matt Leacock builds cooperative games that are genuinely tense and satisfying. Daybreak applies that same design philosophy to one of the most important challenges of our time. You and your teammates represent different regions of the world, working together to decarbonize your societies and build resilience against climate impacts. Stack cards to create powerful combos, coordinate your strategies, and race to stabilize the planet before things spiral out of control. What sets this apart from a lot of serious games is that it's actually uplifting. The focus is on solutions, what humanity can do, not just doom and gloom. 1 to 4 players, 15 minutes to learn, about an hour to play, premium components, eco-conscious production, and no plastics anywhere in the box. For anyone who loves cooperative games and wants something with real substance behind it, this is exceptional.